Ring exercise. Figure 1. First step, rise on toe. Second step, lower heels. Third step, repeat number 1 and 2, 7 counts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Fourth step, rise ring upward. Make 8 small jumps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ring exercise figure number 2. First step, stride sideward right, rings on chest. Second, rise on toes, ring upward. Return to numbers 1. Position. Count 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ring exercise figure number 3. First step, half knee bend, ring forward. Second, stride sideward right, ring upward. Return to number 1 position. Repeat numbers 1 to 4, left and right alternately. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ring exercise figure number 4. Step 1. Swing ring forward, upward, rise on toes. Second, swing ring forward, downward to backward at left side of the body, trunk twist to left, half knee bend. Third, return to number 1. Fourth, position. Fifth, repeat number 1 to 5, right and left alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Ring exercise figure number 5. First step, rise ring sideward right, ring upward, ring sideward left, then position. Repeat numbers 1 to 4 starting left, repeat numbers 1 to 5 right and left alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ring exercise figure number 6. First, quarter turn right, face right, way on right foot or in left foot, in rear ring upward. Second, close left foot to right foot, ring position. Third, repeat numbers 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 3 times more to finish original position. Repeat numbers 1 to 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Bang. To the right, left. Back position. Ring exercise figure number 7. First step, half knee bend, ring forward, position. Full knees bend, ring upward, position. Repeat numbers 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ring exercise figure number 8. First step, jumps to stride, stand sideward, bend trunk forward, ring on front, close to floor horizontal. Step 2, swing ring to the right. Number 3, swing ring to the left. Fourth, repeat number 2, right, left, right. Fifth, jump to feet together, ring on chest. Sixth, ring to position. 7, repeat number 1 to 6 3 times more.
Ring exercise figure number 9. First step, stride sideward right, rise ring sideward right. Second, bend trunk sideward left, ring overhead. Then number 3, return to number 1. Position, repeat numbers 1 to 4 to the left, then repeat numbers 1 to 5, right and left alternately. 1, 2, 3, go. Ring exercise figure number 10. First, lunge forward right, ring sideward left. Heel sit, ring upward. Return to number 1 position, then repeat numbers 1 to 4. Ring exercise figure number 11. Kneeling position. First, raise ring forward. Heel sit ring upward. Return to number 1 position. Repeat numbers 1 to 4, 12 counts.
Ring exercise figure number 12. First, kneeling position. First step, kneeling on right, extend left leg sideward, ring upward. Second, bend trunk sideward left to the extend leg. Third, return to number 1. Number 4, position. Fifth, repeat number 1 to 4. Fifth, 6. Half knee right ring forward. 7. Deep lunge right ring overhead. 8. Repeat number 6.
Number 6.
Ito. Ito yung buwan. 9. Position knee together. 10. Repeat number 6 to 9. 4 counts.